All of us have treasured memories associated with Capri-Sun. After all, it was the go-to drink for every preschooler and even when we got older. But let's face it, the sugar rush you got after drinking one of these and the flavor was unmatched. However, this drink isn't all that healthy and maybe we should have been a little more careful. Welcome back to another Level Up Health video. Today, we are going to be talking about the recent issue with Capri-Sun and the health risks associated with this drink. Let's begin. Now, if you're in touch with the news, you may have heard some pretty surprising news about your favorite childhood drink. Well, apparently, Kraft Heinz, the company behind Capri-Sun, has recalled thousands of these juice boxes, 5,760 to be exact. You are right to think that food manufacturers never recall their products unless there is fear that the product in question is harmful to the general public. Well, in the case of Capri-Sun, there was fear that these juices had been contaminated by a diluted form of a cleaning solution that was meant for the manufacturing equipment used to make this juice. Kraft Heinz came to know of this development after many customers reported that something was off with the taste of their drink. Now, before you go and grab all your Capri-Suns and start throwing them away, just know that not all of these drinks were contaminated. Only the wild cherry juice has been recalled in its pouch form. It was manufactured and distributed in the US and has a best before date of June 25th, 2023. The Kraft Heinz website lists the specific carton codes that have been recalled. This implies that you don't need to worry if you have various flavors or pouches that are past their best before dates at home, though we don't recommend drinking those expired juices. As for Kraft Heinz, they said that they are actively working with distributors and retail partners to remove any juices that have been affected by the cleaning solution. They also said that if any customer is in possession of any contaminated pouch, they can return that to the store from which they brought it. Luckily, no customer has reported any adverse impact from drinking the compromised juice. But if you feel something is off, then you should immediately go to a medical professional because we obviously don't think that cleaning solution is going to do anything good for you. Hearing this must have affected your trust regarding Capri-Sun, but we know that you're too in love with this juice to just let it go easily. Well, the bottom line for you guys is that this drink just isn't good for you. Now, we understand it's got some sentimental value and the taste is also good, but there are just a number of things that you should consider about this drink. The first thing you should consider is the high level of sugar in this drink. Capri-Sun contains around 13 grams of sugar per pouch. In 2015, the WHO, World Health Organization, said that we should not be taking more than 25 grams of sugar on a daily basis. So this means that when we consume a single pouch of Capri-Sun, we are taking in more than half of our daily recommended dose of sugar. This might not be unhealthy on an occasional basis, but when it becomes regular, things take a turn for the worse. When blood sugar levels suddenly rise, the body responds by producing more insulin, which can eventually lead to the onset of type 2 diabetes. Obesity is strongly associated with a high sugar diet, especially in children. Additionally, heart disease risk rises when sugar intake is excessive. Now, many of you guys may be saying that it's just fruit juice and obviously it has sugar. Well, here's a fun fact for a lot of you. Capri-Sun and Kool-Aid are among 30 supposed fruit drinks that have less than 5% juice. The rest of the juice is just added sugar and unhealthy additives. Now, get ready for the really nasty stuff. Capri-Sun has a history of mold problems. Some consumers have reported that they found strange masses in their drink, and sometimes they even tasted a hint of alcohol. Well, Capri-Sun has responded by saying that things like this occur with natural products, but finding mold in your drinks is just plain disgusting. Although the company has released a clear pouch to overcome the problem, it still doesn't make the drink's history any better. Final conclusion. So, while the company claims that the juices are natural and healthy, they even dealt with the mold issue. But our main concern is the high sugar content, drinking regularly. We don't think anything the company does is going to change that, and that is exactly what makes this drink so unhealthy. Sugar in high quantity isn't good for anyone, and with our sedentary lifestyle, the only thing that is going to come out of drinking this juice is obesity and heart complications. So, we recommend that you always go for something more natural and less processed when it comes to your options. That wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.